Halloween was okay. We got lots of trick or treats. It's so much fun to dress up as a ghost. Thanksgiving is the one day we get all the turkey we can eat. But no one can deny the day that we love most. Even if there's Christmas morning rain, the stockings are all stuffed with candy canes. Through the house we've hung the mistletoe. How wonderful the fires glow. Too bad it isn't cold enough to snow. Still I say, welcome to the Christmas morning rain. Christmas morning. As it pitter-patters on my window pane. Somehow I know it isn't what it seems. It's one of Santa's silly schemes. This is how he finds out if we know what Christmas means. Sometimes the world surprises us and throws a little curve. We just can't let it keep us from our goals. Oh no. If a storm should come on Christmas, even though it's not what we deserve, we'll have to show some real Yuletide heart and soul and say, welcome to the Christmas morning rain. Christmas morning rain. The stockings are all stuffed with candy cane. We've hung the mistletoe. Through the house we've hung the mistletoe. So wonderful the fires glow. Too bad it isn't cold enough to snow. Still I say, welcome to the Christmas morning rain. Christmas morning. I can feel it wash away all my pain. Somehow I know it isn't what it seems. It's one of Santa's silly schemes. This is how he finds out if we know. Do we really know what Christmas means? No matter what, we've got to keep our Christmas.